Hey, my name is Jared Simpson. I'm the founder of Valstorm, and today we're going to be going through our product, ValRM, which is our CRM product that we have built. And we're going to jump right into the demo. So I'll start sharing my screen and we'll get right to it. In here, we're inside of ValRM now, and you can see that the screen overall, I have my own home dashboard page that's going on. This is literally the home that we built with our little app builder to see all the information that matters to us immediately. These reports and dashboards were all made within the system. And so one of the things we'll go and do is actually try to set some stuff up. So one of the coolest things is our shortcuts, which make everything a lot faster. So I'll be using these and keeping these open for you to see. Right now we're going to open up the navigation menu and just a little control alt right and left to open and close. Now, in case you're a Mac user, this automatically adjusts to the Mac specific commands that then support you in the exact same way. We're going to go and actually create some contacts. And so in this part, we'll end up creating a brand new contact. We can do it through the new button. So creating a nice little John Doe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the phone number. And in here then, go ahead, hit save. Now, as you can see, we have our John Doe already up. And if I wanted to give John a call, I could open up our phone, click, and then start a conversation for texting or call away. We're going to actually put the phone down for a second and we're going to do an import. Back at the contact page, contact list screen, we can go in and hit the import button. And I'm going to choose a nice little file. I actually have a CSV up and ready to roll. We're going to put in this test person and they will get dropped right into the system. You can upload as many as you want. We don't have contact limits at all. And right now, because I have like the fields matching properly, then everything just sees and we go and boom, imported. We're going to go check out our new contact here. And bam, already got them. Now, another thing we can go and do is look for one of the old people that we have kicking around. Aha, mess with them. Cool. So looking at me in here, we can see a whole bunch of different activities that have happened over the course of time, like calls, texts, etc. We'll be adding more as we go, like social connections, like if I DM over Instagram and Facebook, or any emails, and then chat responses with our chat system. But those features coming. Now, with any of these, we can also go through and say, I need to get rid of this user or this contact. Just a control D to do the command to delete, and bam, we are off and running. Cool. With some of the contact stuff out of the way, let's take a look at creating reports. So in here, like everything really is a list view when you go to any of these objects. Click new, so you get pretty used to the same few views, just different information. Now with reports, we're just gonna put this together. We'll hit the settings button and run our query. I'm looking for every single opportunity I could find in the pipeline, and I need to then come up with what I need to know it by. Oops, I chose the wrong object. That won't help. So make sure I readjust that. And then I'm just going to get some fields in so we could see some information. Now, what I'm interested in here is I want to know the sum of the amounts that are in these opportunities. I want to be able to see how much they are valued at. So I could see the difference of, here's that tier 1 of this product that we're actually showing, the Val phone, our data service, and then some Salesforce consulting that has been completed. But overall, let's see another way to view this data, which right here, we're now grouping by or summarizing up the amount. And right now, this is actually just summarizing by the total count, where I'm more interested in knowing the sum. So the sum of the amount. So this makes up 75% of the total amount of opportunities, and or I should say like the value of the opportunities in the pipeline versus where the data service at $10,000 is 13% of the pipeline. And just another cool way to see it, we have a lot of other options such as our gauge, our donuts, scatter charts, line charts, horizontal, just a pure metric to know, okay, the total amount in the pipeline is 77,200, etc. Area chart, whatever you're looking for. And all of these can be used to build out our dashboards. In here, you get this editor where you're allowed to arrange it and move these around. You also get another cool thing with these is that the report that we just made, you can keep reusing its content by adding a new component, editing, and then choosing to click on the report and then change how its output kind of comes out. So that's where we could go back in and be like, okay, this time I want this instead. And that's what I'm actually interested in, not something else. And this will help to just reuse the same information over and over and over again. Now, other than the reporting and dashboards, as well as managing your contacts, your leads, your companies, opportunities, all kinds of different things, we have our actual phone system. Once you start using that, allows you to have the conversations that you're looking for. We're not going to dive too much into the phone today, as that is something of its own. All of our information, though, is available whether you're in the app and you're looking for it through our help section, or you go to our documentation site, which then breaks down each of the different products and some of the other features within it. We're always available through whether you submit a ticket and open up a chat support directly with us, or you want to reach out and call, we're always available. Other things to see, we have our actual object building system. So if you don't have a data type that works best for you, you can come into objects and create whatever you need, custom thing for my business, and then be able to add it in. If you need to add other fields, we have a list of different fields that you can create to customize the application to meet your data storing needs. And then we have quite a few other things that are coming along that are pretty cool. Record triggers allow, and schedule triggers are these automations that allow you to do anything really that can be done with code. And so we actually have all this code that is able to do specific things after a contact is updated. And our system, very shortly, we're going to be providing AI that is going to help to create these automations automatically. And in the future, we may also do a visual builder, but we believe that the AI approach will probably be best because it will be able to create these that are super reliable. And the scheduling allows us to also say, hey, do this on what's it called? On a schedule such as every day, every hour, every other week, whatever. And I don't have any schedules in here right now, but they work much the same as creating a record trigger. You get code and it does what it needs you to do on a certain time. And beyond those, so these end up allowing us to handle any of those extra scenarios. And we're offering the ability that we will make these things for you while we start to provide more of that information and get people set up to be able to do it themselves with the help of whether AI or a visual builder. And other than that, our system is extremely open-ended in that we have all of our documentation up and available that and pretty much any other system or AI can take and figure out how to do things on our platform, because we've opened this up to the internet so that they can know how to interact with it. So that's some of the technical details, other than the cool features of working within our app and moving quickly. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.